Millennial Philippines 2019 is brought to you by Potency, Mega Sound Smart Pro Videoke, Philippine Airlines, Efficacent Oil, Nescafe Creamy White, and Lola Remedios.
Exciting na magiging pasyalan natin.
Oh, yes! Catanduanes.
Yes! Isa sa 5 probinsya na bago sa Miss Millennial.
Tama ka dyan.
First time tayo pupunta,
Oh,
first
mami,
time tayo makikitsikahan.
First time tayo makikitikim ng pasalubong.
At
Ano
first
bang
time
meron
natin makikilala ang
doon?
kanyang representative.
That's right. Eto na, kilalanin natin. Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019, Angeli Pasher.
Get ready to enjoy as we see the Happy Island with Binibining Catanduanes 2018. Angeli Pasher, Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019.
Maugmang sa inyo mga Dabber Cats. Have you been dreaming about Catanduanes? Because Catanduanes has surely been dreaming about you. From the Abaca capital of the Philippines and the land where happiness never ends, I bring to you the happy island of Catanduanes.
Angeli! Nice to meet you!
Hi
How
po.
anong feeling, Angelina? Ikaw yung first representative ng Catanduanes na first time din sumali dito sa Miss Millennial.
I feel very honored po to be representing my province. And yes, it's our first time, but I know I stand not alone on this stage. I know I have my 260,000 fellow Katandunganons with me here.
260,000.
Yes po.
Teka, baka sabihin nila hindi ka Pinay kasi daw English speaking ka. Ano bang background mo?
So I grew up po in Australia, but my blood and my heart is Katandunganon po.
Yun naman pala. Kaya medyo hirap lang siyang magtagalog. Pero nakakaintindi naman po siya ng Tagalog.
Opo.
Angeli, ang Catanduanes daw ay Happy Island ang tawag sa kanya.
Yes
Bakit?
po.
Bakit siya tinawag na Happy Island?
We have many reasons as to why we're called the Happy Island. So, of course, the people is number one, but also happy is a tourism slogan which we use. So, the acronym for happy is H stands for Home of the Green Biodiversity. So, we are surrounded by mountainous terrains, and we are the Abaca capital of the Philippines. A stands for we amplify our faith and culture. So, we have a lot of historical and cultural sites. P stands for pack up your things and go to the beach. So, of course, being an island, we are surrounded by many beautiful beaches. And the second P is for picture perfect island wonders. So, for those perfect Instagrammable pictures. And Y is you only live once, so adventure is waiting for you at Catanduanes.
YOLO!
Opo, YOLO. Opo.
Abaca capital of the Philippines.
Yes po.
Totoo bang 87% of the world's Abaca needs nagagaling
Yes,
sa
po.
Catanduanes?
Opo, so we are not just tagged as the Abaca capital of the Philippines, but also of the world.
Of the world. Ang love
Okay,
niya.
we've never been there. Kaming dalawa ni Luan. Paano pa
since
pumunta?
first time din naman natin talagang kasama ang Catanduanes. How do we go to Catanduanes?
So we have two options po of how to get to the Happy Island. So you can catch a direct flight from Manila to Legazpi, and then from there you'll take the ferry boat, which takes 4 hours. Also, we have a land option, which is from Manila, a 10-hour drive. And then again, you'll be at Tabaco Port, which is a 4-hour ferry boat ride again.
Ang haba ng biyahe.
So the
Opo.
journey is part of the vacation
Yes,
na
po.
talaga.
Yes,
At
po.
yun yung sinubukan ni Angeli.
Oo. Chance mo na rin yan makita yung mga dadaanan mo.
Yes.
Opo.
Diba?
So,
Yun
yeah.
palang marami ka nang makikita. Alright, Angeli, ipakita mo na sa amin ang ganda ng Catanduanes.
Mga Dabber Cats, where adventure is just around the corner and happiness never ends. Let's find out why we are called the Happy Island. Marana sa Paraisong Isla, Catanduanes! capital of the Philippines. And aside from this, we have many beautiful destinations to offer which you will love most. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa magayunon at in maugmang isla ng Catanduanes. I am here in Fertility Island in Bagamanok. It is believed in Catanduanan folklore that this islet is a symbol of Horokog's undying love for his mortal wife. For sure, you will be amazed by the fascinating views of Nahulugan Falls here at Hignoto. One of the coolest rock formations here is Patag Islet, found in the municipality of Bato. Never forget to visit Museo de Catanduanes. Here in Abijaw Point, you will see the beauty of our landscapes and our seascapes. So Devers has a must-to-do when you're here in Catanduanes is to visit and be blown away by the breathtaking views of Binorong Point. If you love the beach and adventure, Twin Rock Beach Resort is the place to go. Woo! Super solid! You guys have to try. If you're looking for white sandy beaches and surfing activities, tara na sa Pararam Beach. Come on guys, start natin mag-surf. Make sure to visit the Happy Island where happiness never ends. This is just a taste of the beauty of my province. I am Angeli Pasher, your Miss Millennial Catanduanes 2019.
Wow!
Ang ganda ng
Nakita
Catanduanes.
niyo naman, Lovercats, yung mga bundok na inakyat ni Angeli para lang maipakita sa atin ang
Mahirap
ganda
ba yung
ng
akyatin,
Catanduanes.
Angeline?
Yes po,
Yung
pero
bundok na yan?
yung
Gusto ko yung parang rock formations.
Pag beginner ba yung mag-hike, kaya naman?
kaya po, worth it po talaga yung view.
How long does it take to hike up?
So, depending on your range
Okay,
of walking.
your pace?
Pag beginner yung hiker, mga ilang oras?
Hindi naman po oras.
Hindi oras.
Hindi. Mga 40 minutes po.
40 minutes.
Hindi oras, kayang-kaya yun.
Mabuti na nga at napasali ang Catanduanes sa Miss Millennial kasi kung hindi natin makikita yung
Opo.
ganda ng
Yes.
probinsya mo. You were saying na isang portion lang ng island yung naipakita mo dito sa VTR.
Yes po. So that is just a taste of what we have to offer in Catanduanes. We have still got a lot to cover. That is just a small piece po.
Wow.
Sabi ni Angeli, kung gusto nyo talagang makita lahat ng magagandang sites, 3 to 4 weeks.
Yes po, to fully enjoy the beauty.
So, piling-pili lang talaga yung
So,
gagawin
isang
ninyo
buwan
dapat.
kang magstay sa Catanduanes bago mo maikot lahat ng pwede mong makita
At parang
sa
I don't mind kasi
Catanduanes.
nakita mo ba yung mga pasalubong? Meron tayong
Nandito ako
latik.
sa tabi.
Yes po. Meron tayong latik dito which is the suman, Angeli.
Yes po.
Tapos nilalagyan siya ng ito parang coconut sauce.
Coconut sauce
latik.
po.
Ito yung latik sauce niya. Parang
Opo.
masarap yun.
Oo, mamaya titikman natin yan.
So maliban sa latik, ano pa yung mga pampasalubong na pwedeng dapat tikpan from Catanduanes?
Okay po. So our number one delicacy po, yes, is latik. So
Latik.
that is our main delicacy that pinapamalaki po namin sa Catanduanes. But we also have the pili nuts, which
Yes, because you're in Bicol.
yes po, Bicol
Pili
region.
nuts.
And there's a lot of different flavors and varieties as to how pili nuts is cooked. And then over here po, we have the taro chips.
Taro chips.
Yes po, which actually it is planted under the puno ng abaca.
Okay. And healthy snacking.
Super healthy po,
Diba?
so you can eat it without feeling guilty because there's no preservatives and it's super, super healthy po.
At since Abaca capital of the Philippines ang Catanduanes, ang dami nilang
Yes po.
products
Ano
made
ng
of
products
abaca.
yung nagagawa ninyo from abaca?
So abaca po, it can be used in clothing, it can
Yes.
be used in textiles, paper money. We actually export a lot of abaca worldwide. It's exported in Europe as well as Asian countries. And also over here, we
Go ahead,
have
Angela.
our well-being section of abaca extract. So you've got your soaps, your shampoos and your conditioners made from abaca extract po.
May
Alright.
abaca soap.
Opo.
Oh.
Gusto ko amuyin. Gusto ko amuyin. Saan yun abaca soap?
So this one po.
Ano naman ang health benefits ng abaca soap?
So the abaca soap po is very natural. So you've got the benefits of the raw extract of abaca. So you've got that, you'll have that soft, flowy feeling po.
At hindi lang siya abaka kasi meron din siyang pili oil.
Opo, and peppermint and coconut po.
Bango. Okay.
Mga Dabarkads, just visit Eat Bulaga's Facebook page para makita nyo naman yung budget tour tips ni Angeli para malaman ninyo kung alin yung ilan lang mapipili kung hindi, if you don't have 4 weeks to see the
Oo.
entire island.
Kung hindi mo kakayanin magstay doon ng
At saka
isang
kung may
buwan.
budget kayo, meron siyang 2,000 peso
Yes,
That's
po.
right.
tour
So,
si Angeli.
thank you, Angeli. At thank you din sa mga kababayan ni Miss Millennial Catanduanes para sa mga pasalubong, lalo na po sa tourism at local government ng Catanduanes.
Thank you for coming over to APT Studios. I-follow lang si Miss Millennial Catanduanes sa kanyang social media accounts to know more about her province. May regalo ka, Angeli, mula sa kasama namin naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines araw-araw, katulad ng Potency, the Beauty of Immunity.
At may matatanggap ka rin Mega Sound Smart Pro Video Experience Music and more. May more than 18,000 songs ka na may free 2-year song update pa.
Ayan, Angeli, pwede mo na i-practice
Opo.
yung mga favorite songs mo when you get home.
Kumantahan na ng kumanta.
Meron ka rin efficient oil, araw-arawin mo. Ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay inhatid din ng Nescafe Creamy White. Mas masarap ang buhay pag walang pait.
Ng Lola Remedios, all-natural supplement Lola Remedios, Remedios ng Pinoy.
At ng Philippine Airlines. Fly with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Maraming salamat din sa H&M Clothing.
Angeli, invite mo na ang ating mga Dabarkads to visit your province.
Mga Dabarkads, what you've seen is just a taste of the Happy Island. You've seen me tour, now it's your turn to visit the Happy Island. Maranasa, Paraisong Isla, Catanduanes.
Happy Island. Maraming salamat. Miss Millennial Catanduanes, Angeli Patcher. Thank you.
Abangan mo, Dabarkads, ang iba pa nating papasyalan katulad ng Camsur.
Ano pa?
Maguindanao
Ano
at
pa?
Lanao del Norte. Na first time din natin bibisitahin.
Ang Lanao del Norte.
Yes.
Exciting din yan.
At lahat ng yan dito lang sa